Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix, and for today's video, I'm going to show you how to change currency on Roblox. So first open your Roblox app as you can see on your screen, the homepage of Roblox. Now to find the current currency, just tap the icon at the top right, and as you can see, this is my current currency, a Philippine peso. Now to change this currency, you need to change your location or region. Well, previously, we have an option to change the location when we go right here at the settings and then go to that account info. Then right here, actually, you'll find that change location. But right now, as you can see, there's no buttons right here on the updated version of Roblox. So to change your location, you need to use a VPN. So go to your Google Play Store, then search for VPN, and then you'll find here a bunch of VPN that you can use to change the location or region on your Roblox. Then once you change the location, you can now go back to Roblox or you can log in back and you will find that your currency has changed with the currency you choose from VPN. So that's it. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to this channel. And don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.